Welcome to Solarus! Mr. President, we are thrilled to be here today and so excited for your upcoming visit to Solarus on the island of Niihau, Hawaii for the Centennial Celebration. We are a team of scientists and engineers who work together to research ways to improve circular economic living. I'm Casey, a bioengineer who works on our agricultural work.
I'm Derek, a civil engineer who designs our infrastructure and plans different zones for our city. We have an industrial zone, commercial zone, police and fire stations throughout, a residential zone, agricultural, aerospace, and hang gliding zone. We also have a seaport for transportation and exporting goods, as well as a rubbish retrieval zone on the eastern shore.
I'm Addison, a mechanical and architectural engineer. I design the earthships and buildings on our island. There are a few things you should know to help make the most of your visit.
When you arrive at the Solarus Hopper Airport via your algae-powered plane, you will be greeted by the Garbanzo Pep Band from the local high school group. This band is unique with every instrument made from upcycled trash.
Our mayor will escort you to the Italian earthship where you will reside for the week in the most fascinating villa, handcrafted for peaceful sleeping and the most satisfactory relaxation. Of course, by morning you will be ready to enjoy hang gliding off Windy Point from our western shore.
When you are fully awake from your hang gliding experience, you will be ready to safely tour the tidal stream generator farm off the eastern shore. Wearing your wetsuit, you will follow a team of mechanical, electrical, civil, and bioengineers to see the TSGs up close. You will be able to witness our capture of kinetic energy from the currents which are strongest on this side of the island from the trade winds.
Once captured, the energy is transferred to the Energy Storage Center, ESC, for powering the toothbrush, toothpaste, and pajamas. On the second day, you will tour the extraordinary way our bioengineers have converted algae, to be specific, spirulina and chlorella, into diesel and food. Using tubular photobioreactors, we capture the carbon produced from our Janicki-Omni processor and factories and feed it into the blender-like tubes of algae to help them grow while purifying the environment. At the four corners of agriculture, where our wheat fields, rice paddies, bamboo groves, and algae production acre come together, you will observe our field conversion center, where the entrance is only visible, but it proceeds deep into the hill.
An important part of your visit will include the factories that convert the waste used to create our biodiesel. Solaris is known as the City of Sleep because of the amazing bedtime amenities we make and export. Using bamboo, which is grown without fertilizer, pesticides, or the need for replanting, we make super soft pajamas that are antimicrobial and temperature regulating, providing for the best sleep experience.
We also use bamboo to make toothbrushes. The charcoal produced from the Omni processor is infused our toothbrush bristles, which makes for cleaner teeth and healthier gums.
From there you will tour our toothpaste factory where we use spirulina, algae, and charcoal. The combination of the softest pajamas, the cleanest teeth, and the comfort of an earthship makes everyone sleep soundly here. Mr. President, you will be more rested on this trip than on your getaways to Mount Vernon.
You may wonder how safe it is to live in a small island, buffeted by trade winds and built on an extinct volcano in the middle of the Pacific Ocean. Well, the truth is there's an element of danger. The most prominent dangers we face are tsunamis and hurricanes. However, our earthships are designed into the earth in an aeronautic way, allowing water and wind to rush around the buildings, keeping the inside safe and intact. In the event of long-sustaining submersion, we have a snorkel pipe that extends from each earthship, allowing for clean breathing. TSGs are designed to stay underwater and withstand heavy currents, so our energy source is not harmed from strong wind surges. We have an automatic shutoff should water recede the entire TSG is exposed. Worst case scenario, the TSGs break and only our factories are temporarily out of commission. However, with an island full of mechanical, bio, electrical, architectural, and aerospace engineers, and an eastern shore flooded with building supplies, we are fully capable of rebuilding anything after whatever storm life throws after us. We are engineers, and we are sustainable.
At the conclusion of your visit to Solarus, we sincerely hope you will use what you have learned and witnessed as successful ways of living to help better our country and the future of our planet.
From the Special Commission to the President on Circular Economic Feasibility Study. Aloha!